Welcome to Primo RV Center, and inside a brand new debut here at Primo RV Center from Alliance, a brand new model for this year for them. One we're really excited about when we saw it on paper, and then it's always exciting when you get something in and it executes way better than even you thought it might be. Really well thought through. It's always great when technicians kind of come to you and say, you got to see this, and so a lot of excitement even from the staff that kind of work on the behind the scenes aspects of these kind of coaches, and I'll highlight some of their excitement here for you. So this is the 250 RE from Alliance in their ultralight series. So something very towable by a wide range of vehicles. This comes in at under 6,200 pounds dry and just under 30 feet tip to tail. So it's going to allow you to get into all those national parks should you wish to, certainly a wide range of sites. But it's something that certainly you could travel the whole summer on the road for. Certainly be down south in the winter to a warmer climate if you wanted to. It would be very, very comfortable. But I could also see some folks kind of dividing their time between maybe a parked campsite and taking it on the road because of the window coverage here. So you get those kind of 360 views where you can kind of see all the way around, especially if you're sitting at the dinette in the morning just having some coffee. You've got huge windows here on the side as well. When we go outside, I'll show you the impressive awning coverage. So it really sets up well if you want to have a small deck. So this could certainly be used, I think, by folks who are looking to park something, but also those who do want to hit the road once in a while. As we come in the door, we're going to have our monitor panel right here, so we can quickly kind of check on how full tanks are, turn on our water pump if we want to use the bathroom, put out our slide out. We'll talk about some slide out switches outside as well. Awning switches, so again, you can kind of keep an eye on things as they go in and out. And then as we come in, we've got primary light switch here, but there's also on a dimmer as well. So should you want to just kind of dim it down just a little bit, but still have them on, especially at nighttime, you have that ability. And all the windows have a nice deep tint on them as well. As we immediately come in, you'll notice you are going to have full access here. So you're going to have your bathroom just off to the right, along with the bedroom. When that slide out's in, it's basically going to cover that TV area. So you can get into the kitchen, put some groceries away, access your fridge, get to all the things you'd want to do, or even make a meal on the road and not have to worry about putting out that slide out. So really well thought through there. So I thought I'd certainly compliment them on giving you a lot of space to work with on the road. We are going to have some standard theater seats here as we come in. So very nice spot to, again, have a maybe morning coffee, watch a movie at night, watch the news, those sorts of things. You are going to have USB built into each side. So if you do want to plug in devices and kind of even put them in the cup holder as you charge to watch something, you can. You've got a flip up drink holder here in the middle, as well as the cup holders on either side. And then of course the feet will come out. You've got a switch here that can turn on individual little night lights underneath there on each one. So again, if you just want to have maybe lights off but have a little bit of footlight here, you certainly can. As we come into the kitchen area, just wonderful storage. So this is the kind of storage certainly we all wish we had, and certainly in my own personal rig, which I wish I had some of these sort of amenities, and especially the drawers here, which I absolutely love. So you've got slow close cupboards, and then take a look at the depth of each of these drawers here. So look at how far back they go. So if you're someone who is, a baker, or this is a unit that potentially, again, you're going to live out of for many, many months at a time, you'll notice here that they have no issue if you do want to live kind of full-time in the right climate that obviously doesn't allow things to freeze up. That's totally fine. You're not going to void your warranty, and that's not something that everybody else stands behind, so I appreciate that. But that kind of storage really allows you to bring those items from home. You've got a massive pots and pans drawer below the full oven and 3-burner stove. A nice backsplash along the wall here that wraps right around, and you've got those 2 windows, which people always appreciate. You still have a hood fan here to help get any smells out. And again, lots of space in here for all the dishes you're going to bring, and that wraps right around. A nice high-rise faucet here, and then easy access to things for serviceability, again, things that technicians love. So one, you have shut-offs at all the drains, but you also have easy access to the backside of, say, things like your hot water tank, and just a ton of storage here. So this is a great spot for sort of overstock of bigger pots and pans, but obviously waste bin, that would be a very logical place that you might put that, or even recycling bins, so you'd have enough room for both. And then another 3 drawers. You'll notice the under lighting here as well. So again, you don't have to have the overhead lights on at night. Huge TV that's right across from, again, our theater seats here, which makes perfect sense. So if you want to watch a movie, again, nice size TV that's appropriate for the distance here. And then we have our fireplace here, which is wonderful in the fall or early season, kind of those shoulder seasons. Definitely if you have power, you'll appreciate that. That would do a nice job of heating up this area. You wouldn't necessarily have to run your furnace. But speaking of furnace, you'll notice the hidden vent underneath the pots and pans. Love that. So kind of out of sight, out of mind, but it is doing a nice job of making sure that the kitchen area is well heated if you're starting to dip below temperatures that might be a concern. Huge stainless steel sink here, so lots of room to work. You can certainly put a drying rack in there as well. We've got our massive 10 cubic foot Furrion fridge here, so you could live out of that for a couple weeks here. You do have some storage on one side, and on the other side, which I have a feeling for the next model year they'll switch up, you do have your converter here, which is lithium battery ready. So this is a unit that does have 200 watts of solar, so certainly off-grid ready should you want to go there. That's, I think, an issue for some people. I'll say I have a feeling they may switch it up. Not something I'd be concerned with, because the beauty about rack and pinion slides, which this is you always have a manual override. So if anything ever happened and let's say the electronics didn't allow you to bring it in, or in this case it's really about putting it out, you always have an ability to get that slide out. So it's never going to be an issue. Most of my customers over the last 2 decades, if they've ever had a slide out issue, it's generally a power issue. But now that solar is here, that really does change things. So it's less likely to be that. So not something I would be concerned about as an RV owner myself. Certainly there's plenty of workarounds here. So we've got a drop-down dinette here with huge storage underneath, easy access doors. You'll notice no posts here to knock into as you slide in and out, so it does make it a lot easier to get in and out. You've got individual switches here for your lights, and just huge windows that both open. So again, if you're not somebody who always wants to rely on air conditioning, just look at the number of windows that you have here. The window coverage is absolutely fantastic. And that's why I say this would appeal to someone who certainly wants to be on the road, take advantage of beautiful scenery. But if you are in a park setting, kind of beautiful forest area with some lakes or rivers, certainly would work quite well. As we head back into the living area, we do have our AC, which is ducted throughout the coach. Nice big 15K AC. More storage here above would be a great storage for kind of board games, puzzles, that kind of thing, something that's a bit longer. All of our windows will have roller shades. They're just going to be tucked up underneath here. So again, you can block things out, or let's say, for this side of the coach, if you had an audience on the other side, nighttime, if you want to pull them down, you certainly could. Thermostat just on the wall here to turn on that AC. Again, huge window in the hallway area, which really brightens things up and gives you, again, great airflow as you sit here. So something that you don't see on too many coaches anymore. And this is one of the features that would stand out for a lot of our technicians, and I certainly noticed it right off the bat. It's a little deceiving right now, but if you were standing here, you'll notice that this opening to the walkway here into the bathroom is much wider. It narrows a little bit past going into the bedroom, but they've made that entranceway as wide as possible. And you can imagine a technician with a tool belt on or bringing some tools or parts through here, they certainly appreciate all the extra room they can have. So it was certainly noticeable, and I certainly noticed it right off the bat. But they thought that was absolutely fabulous, and I tend to agree with them. We've got ducting here into the bathroom. We do have a vent with a fan. Again, lots of natural light, but lots of LED lights as well. You do have a porcelain toilet here with a soft close. Okay, lots of drawers, lots of storage. Nice little cubbies there too that go pretty far back. It's as deep as basically the shower, so you can stack a lot of towels and things like that, roll them up and put them in there. And then you can leave all life essentials, your first aid kit, everything else. You have lots of room for that stuff here, as well as, again, additional towels, linens, things like that. We've got our pull across anti-mold shower curtain as well, all built in. So again, a nice wide 33 plus inch shower stall here. So if you are somebody who's broad in the shoulders, you'll certainly appreciate that. And then easy access to the bathroom and bedroom combination. So again, if you want to pull into a Walmart parking lot or truck stop, you name it, grab 4 or 5 hours sleep on a big journey, this is one that does allow you to do everything you want to do with that slide out closed and not have to unhook. So you've got some great breeze here, some 2 windows that will open up, give you some cross breeze. We've got a emergency exit window there. Tons of storage under the bed. It is on some nice easy to lift pistons as well. You pretty much just have to get them started and up she goes. We do have hanging storage as well, so you've got a removable shelf on either side. We've got very long drawers on either side as well, so they'll go all the way back. They're rated at 90 pounds, so if you want to put a lot of weight in those, you can. You've got a nice dark top here for this particular model year in 2027. You'll see the hookups here for both USB and 120 volts. So depending on things like CPAP machines or just charging devices, you're sort of covered there. You've got switches for your above lights here, reading lights as well. Really deep storage up top, but then the beauty here is they forced in even more storage everywhere they can. So you've got 2 drawers on the bottom. You've got ducting for heat into the bedroom there. And then we've got our nice big closet area. So again, if you want to have several shirts and stuff, if you're a fan of Hawaiian shirts and you want to wear them all season, well, you can bring as many as you like. It'll fit in here. Lots of room. There is a TV backer here as well. So should you wish to add television, again, we've got a digital antenna on the roof, which we're stealing a signal off now in the main area. So that could be on a swivel mount, so you could easily kind of wrap it into the corner, be able to watch, say, a movie from the bedroom or anything else you wish as well. Let's head outside where I hope you'll be living most of the time. So for Alliance this year, we've got some great new Suburban steps. So they're a composite step. They're never going to rust. They're a little bit lighter to flip up. They've got great drainage. I think that's the thing that people are certainly noticing right off the hop is rain isn't going to sit around on there. You do have the Lenda hand here that folds out of the way, so you've got something to hold on to as you come down. I put the awning partially out here so you can see the great coverage that we have. So we're going from just that back window all the way past that front window in the bedroom and right up to our front compartment. So absolutely huge 20-foot awning here. So this is where you're hopefully going to live most of the time. Certainly our part of the world, that's always the intention, as long as that weather is cooperating with you. Again, just subtle little differences here, which I really do like. The Suburban steps come with sort of a white sidewall, which blends into the wall. They've changed up to white awning arms as well. So again, just nice aesthetic look here. We'll take you up to the front. A little more interest up front there and some features we want to highlight. Some wonderful storage. So up front, you do have a standard power jack. We've got two 20-pound tanks. You've got abundance room here for multiple batteries. A lot of our customers in these kind of units that may, again, have the intent to go off grid a little bit, may start out with at least 6 volts, but I would say now in the last 2 years, definitely lithium is the way people seem to be going. We carry some great options from Epoch that get into 10+ year warranties, so really wonderful batteries, and they can get you through the cold seasons as well as the hot seasons, and these units all are ready for them. So certainly if you are intent on going off grid at some point, certainly let us know, and we can certainly help you with, again, whether it be additional solar or again, the right batteries is usually the place to start, and then sort of build on that afterwards. Absolutely massive storage here. So you've got just a wealth of storage underneath here. So if you're on a long journey, you do have the room to bring all the outdoor furniture you want and carpets and everything else. You'll see that aluminum framing, which extends into the wall. You've got USB charging outside. You'll notice here the awning switch on the outside, which is wonderful, plus the ability to dim that light on the awning as well. So very, very handy if you've got, you know, trees around and things like that, and you want to be able to monitor as it comes out. You're going to come out a full 8 feet here. One thing they're kind of known for at Alliance is their spray ports on 3 sides. So you have the ability to kind of rinse yourself off on this side, but also the back side and the very rear here as well. So something that's appreciated. While we're talking about the kind of being off grid as well, I will mention that these are all ready for an inverter. So let's say you did need to power a CPAP machine off batteries or things like that. All the Alliance products that we carry are ready for an inverter. That is something we can install initially, or I like the fact that, again, it's an upgrade you can make in the future if you find that it is something you need. So it is ready to go, and they've made it exceptionally easy. If you are a bit of a DIYer, it's the easiest I've seen, and I'll point out kind of where those connections are. So again, awning strip lighting running the full length, great tint on the windows here, nice alloy wheels. You do have Goodyear tires, which have a kind of progressive warranty, kind of no questions asked for a full year, and then it extends out 5 years where you're going to get a credit towards them. So nicely back tires here to take care of you for those long journeys. Easy access to the hot water tank on the outside, but we saw it on the inside as well. You do have pretty easy access there if you needed to get it on the backside. We have an on-demand hot water tank here, so it's naturally going to store less water, so coming to winterization, going to be a little easier. 4 oversized jacks here, so nice and, again, very steady when they're down. I mentioned that rear spray port. So there's our rear spray port there. We are standard with a hitch here, so very something that I see more and more people doing is certainly bikes, but e-bikes, especially for those on long journeys. So it is all ready for that. So that's the nice thing, is you can have that kind of 300 pounds, and certainly the traditional e-bikes typically come in well under that. You do have a preset up for a backup camera should you need it. You've got Alliance's proprietary oversized, overbuilt ladder here, so something that can handle 300 pounds, plus it is designed to be a drying rack, so very handy, certainly if you have a crowd once in a while, for towels, and again, all the bathing suits you're going to bring with you. LED lights around the exterior as well as the interior. You'll see the slide depth here coming out about 3.5 feet. Love the fact they've got these little sweepers on here that will help to flip your seals in the right direction. That way, if you forget to look, in a big downpour, you're not worried about kind of water coming in and out. They're going to flip back and forth. Something we train you on here, so we do spend a couple hours with you going through A, how it works, but B, how to maintain it. And that's something we do talk a lot about, is your seals. So we do have both a rear gray tank, because you have a rear kitchen, but then your primary, which is kind of rooted to your bathroom here, black and gray there as well. certainly with the right hose setup, which we can set you up with, you can link all that together. So if you're kind of on site and on a traditional site, most times we can set you up with the right pieces you need. Furnace on the back side here, which people appreciate because you've got, again, no more copper and oxide coming in under the awning there. You'll notice kind of the one piece flashing here on the bottom looks really, really sharp. Again, they did a wonderful job with styling, and they're kind of well known for that. So here's our backside spray port. We do have a tank flush for our black tank, city water if you have it on site, and then cable and satellite there. So here is our hot and cold adjustment for all those spray ports. We do have a battery cutoff switch, which is wonderful when you're going into storage because your solar is going to continue to maintain that battery while everything else is shut off. And here's our link here to fill our onboard tank. So you just kind of flip the valve and you hook up to a hose and away you go. And then we do have a question we get, there is a pump involved that can pump it into that tank too. So if you obviously are used to more gravity ones, don't worry. You've got your slide out switch on this side, so you can kind of monitor that slide as it goes out. You've got our water pump switch. And I mentioned kind of easy access for the DIYers. And here it all is. So they've made it really easy for winterization. You've got a hose here that you can just dip into your bottle of antifreeze. We've got Victron for the solar charger and maintainer. And we also have a cutoff switch for the solar, which is really important if you're working on the battery system. It's nice to be able to shut that off so there is no charge coming to those batteries. Easy access to the water pump. And then that silver kind of box at the top, that's letting you know where that inverter prep is. So again, if you're someone who, whether you have a buddy who's an electrician or just yourself, you're pretty handy. It's something that certainly you can do yourself over time if you wish. We do have a light here as well. So again, really well set up at night if you're coming in at night. And again, easy access. That's why I kind of opened this up for you. It tucks back into place so you have that full run of storage here, which is just incredible. We invite you to come have a look at this brand new model for Alliance. Super excited to have this new 2027 kind of model debut here finally in stock and under our thumbs, and I think one of the best debuts certainly they've had in a very long time. So I think it's a wonderful creation, and we'd love to show it off to you here, especially if you're, whether you be new or somebody that's maybe moving up from something a little bit smaller. Certainly a wonderful choice to take a look at here. And we'll aim to keep this in stock for you. Just reach out to us, and certainly if you're coming a distance, we'd always want to make sure we do have it for you here. So this is the brand new 250 RE in Alliance's Delta Ultralight series.